India's healthcare system is its lifeline, a vast and intricate network of dedicated professionals working tirelessly to ensure the well-being of its vast and diverse population. These individuals, from doctors and nurses to paramedics and support staff, form the backbone of a system that is crucial to the nation's health. From bustling city hospitals, where the pace is relentless and the stakes are high, to remote village clinics, where resources are often limited, healthcare workers are the backbone of this system. They bring their expertise and compassion to every corner of the country, ensuring that no one is left behind. They face immense challenges daily, from dealing with emergencies to managing chronic conditions, yet their commitment to saving lives and improving public health remains unwavering. Their resilience and dedication are truly inspiring as they navigate the complexities of the healthcare landscape. The demand for skilled healthcare professionals in India is constantly growing, driven by an increasing population and evolving healthcare needs. This demand offers diverse and rewarding career opportunities for those passionate about making a difference. Training and education are key as the next generation of healthcare workers prepares to take on these vital roles. The healthcare sector in India is a tapestry woven with threads of compassion, innovation, and resilience. Medical professionals continuously strive to improve patient care through innovative practices and compassionate service, working together to overcome challenges and push the boundaries of what is possible. It's a sector that touches the lives of millions, offering hope, healing, and a chance at a healthier future. Every day, healthcare workers make a profound impact on the lives of their patients, providing not just medical treatment, but also comfort and support during difficult times. As India's population grows and its healthcare needs evolve, the importance of a robust and skilled healthcare workforce becomes even more paramount. The future of India's health depends on the strength and dedication of these professionals who continue to rise to the challenge, ensuring a healthier tomorrow for all. When we think of medical careers, doctors and nurses immediately come to mind. However, the healthcare landscape is far more expansive, encompassing a multitude of professions that are equally crucial to the system's smooth functioning. Pharmacists play a vital role in dispensing medications and ensuring patient safety. Lab technicians are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, analyzing samples and providing critical diagnostic information. Then there are physiotherapists who help patients regain mobility and function. The healthcare sector also includes administrators, public health specialists, and countless other professionals who contribute to the overall well-being of patients. Each medical profession requires a specific set of qualifications and rigorous training, ensuring that practitioners possess the necessary knowledge and skills to deliver high-quality care. This training is essential to prepare them for the various challenges they will face in their careers, from diagnosing complex conditions to providing compassionate patient care. Aspiring doctors, for instance, must complete a demanding MBBS program, followed by a specialization of their choice. This often includes years of residency and fellowship programs, where they gain hands-on experience under the supervision of seasoned professionals. Nurses can choose from diploma, graduate, or postgraduate programs, each offering a different level of expertise. These programs include both theoretical coursework and practical training in clinical settings, ensuring that nurses are well prepared to meet the needs of their patients. Pharmacists require a Bachelor of Pharmacy degree, which covers subjects like pharmacology, chemistry, and medical ethics. They also undergo internships to gain practical experience in various pharmacy settings. While lab technicians typically need a diploma or a bachelor's degree in medical laboratory technology. Their training includes learning to operate sophisticated lab equipment and understanding the principles of medical testing and analysis. The path to a healthcare career is paved with dedication, perseverance, and a genuine desire to serve others. It requires continuous learning and adaptation to new medical advancements, ensuring that healthcare professionals can provide the best possible care throughout their careers. Once you've completed the necessary educational qualifications, the next step is to navigate the world of licensing exams and certifications. These are essential for ensuring that healthcare professionals meet national standards and are qualified to practice in India. For doctors, the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or NEET, is the gateway to securing a seat in a recognized medical college. Nurses need to clear the Nursing Council examination, while pharmacists have to pass the Pharmacy Council of India's registration exam. These exams are challenging, requiring extensive preparation and a deep understanding of the subject matter. Section 5. Climbing the career ladder, growth and advancement. The healthcare sector in India offers tremendous potential for growth and career advancement. With experience, expertise, and continuous professional development, healthcare professionals can climb the career ladder and take on leadership roles. Doctors can specialize in specific areas of medicine, becoming renowned surgeons, cardiologists, or pediatricians. Nurses can advance to become nurse practitioners, taking on greater responsibilities in patient care. Pharmacists can pursue research or specialize in areas like clinical pharmacy or pharmaceutical management. The possibilities for growth are vast, driven by the ever-evolving needs of the healthcare industry. Section 6. The human touch, impact and fulfillment in healthcare. A career in healthcare is more than just a job. It's a calling that offers profound personal fulfillment. It is a journey filled with moments that touch the heart and soul, making every day a meaningful experience. Healthcare professionals have the unique privilege of making a tangible difference in people's lives, alleviating suffering and providing comfort during times of need. They are the unsung heroes who stand by patients during their most vulnerable moments. The gratitude of a patient whose life you've touched, the heartfelt thanks and the emotional connections formed, the joy of witnessing a successful recovery, seeing a patient regain their health and strength, and the satisfaction of contributing to the well-being of your community, knowing that your efforts have a ripple effect that extends beyond the individual to the community at large. These are rewards that go far beyond monetary compensation. The bonds formed and the lives changed are priceless. Healthcare is a profession that nourishes the soul, providing a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment, reminding us of the inherent human connection that binds us all. It is a testament to the power of compassion, empathy, and the enduring human spirit. Section 7. Shaping the future. Emerging trends in Indian healthcare. The Indian healthcare landscape is dynamic, constantly evolving with technological advancements and changing disease patterns. Telemedicine is gaining momentum, bridging the gap between patients in remote areas and qualified healthcare providers. The rise of artificial intelligence and big data is transforming diagnostics, treatment planning, and drug discovery. Healthcare professionals need to stay abreast of these trends, embracing innovation and adapting their skills to meet the demands of this rapidly changing field. Section 8. Your journey begins. Actionable steps for aspiring professionals. For students aspiring to join the noble ranks of healthcare professionals, the journey begins with self-reflection and identifying your strengths and passions. Do you have a natural inclination towards caregiving? Are you fascinated by the complexities of the human body? Once you've identified your area of interest, research the necessary qualifications, reputable institutions, and available training programs. Connect with experienced professionals in your chosen field, seeking guidance and mentorship. Section 9. Overcoming challenges. Navigating the complexities. The path to a healthcare career is not without its challenges. The training is demanding, the competition can be fierce, and the emotional toll of dealing with human suffering can be significant. However, with unwavering determination, resilience, and a strong support system, you can overcome these hurdles. Remember that setbacks are a part of the journey, and each challenge you overcome will only make you a stronger and more compassionate healthcare professional. A career in healthcare is not merely a job, it's a calling that demands empathy, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to ethical practice. It requires putting the patient's needs first, respecting their autonomy, and advocating for their well-being. By embracing these values, you'll not only excel in your chosen profession, but also contribute to creating a more compassionate and equitable healthcare system for all.